Hi, I'm Dr. John Flucke. Some of you might recognize me from a lecture or from my long-running role as the Chief Dental Editor of Dental Products Report, where I've been covering innovations for honestly longer than I want to admit. Today, I am excited to tell you about a new educational partnership I'm putting together with a fantastic company, Medidenta. Together, we're on a mission to educate clinicians and their teams about the transformative potential of 3D printing in dentistry. I know we all want to stay at the forefront of new technologies. We want to improve our workflows, but most importantly, we want to enhance the experiences of our patients. 3D printing is one of the most promising advancements for dental professionals today. It offers solutions that are faster, easier, and often more precise, whether you're talking about appliances or restorations. But one of the challenges with any new technology is figuring out where to start. We've all heard the questions, who should I turn to for advice? What do I really need to get started? Where can I find proper training? And why should I even bother learning about this in the first place? These are the classic who, what, where, and why questions that hold many of us back from moving forward. But personally, I'm all about moving forward. So those questions are exactly what Medidenta and I have set out to solve. We know that jumping into new technology can sometimes feel like buying a piece of expensive workout equipment. You don't want it to end up gathering dust or using it for a clothes hanger. That's why Medidenta and I are taking a different approach to this. We've designed courses that not only teach you the essential concepts, but also allow you to get hands-on experience with the equipment. And most importantly, you'll understand what challenges you might face before you make a purchase. Our courses are AGD PACE certified, and that means that we are offering 16 continuing education credits to the participants. The best part is you can learn all about 3D printing without making an investment on equipment until you're ready. And when you complete the course, you'll be fully equipped to start printing on the day you open the box. So don't miss this opportunity. Take one of our courses and walk away ready to make 3D printing a part of your practice. I'm excited to help guide you through this journey and to get you on the path to 3D success. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you on one of our courses soon.